Hello, first graders. Welcome to your A Tree is a Plant test. I will read each question to you. Number 1. I have not been to the said Josh. I have not been to the said Josh. Use the picture to help. Number 2. I see all of trees, said Mom. I see all of trees, said Mom. Number 3. Are you to take a walk, said Josh. Are you to take a walk, said Josh. Number 4. That tree is with apples, said Mom. That tree is with apples, said Mom. Number 5. The helps the trees grow, said Josh. The helps the trees grow, said Josh. Number 6. The sun the leaves and helps the trees grow too, said Mom. The sun the leaves and helps the trees grow too, said Mom. Number 7. The has lots of trees, said Josh. The has lots of trees, said Josh. Number 8. What does the word fall mean in the sentence below? It is a nice fall day, said Jess. It is a nice fall day, said Jess. Does the word fall mean to take place, to come down, or a time of the year? What does the word fall mean in this sentence? Number 9. What does the word park mean in the sentence below? Let's go to the park, said Beth. Let's go to the park, said Beth. Does the word park mean to go on a path, to stop a car in a spot, or land with trees and a playground? What does the word park mean in this sentence? Number 10. What does the word duck mean in the sentence below? We can feed the brown duck, said Jess. We can feed the brown duck, said Jess. Does the word duck mean to hide under, a kind of animal, or to get away from? What does the word duck mean in this sentence? Number 11. What must happen before an apple seed can grow? Use what you know about a tree is a plant. What must happen before an apple seed can grow? It must blow away. It must get in a pond. It must get wet and warm. What must happen before an apple seed can grow? Number 12. What does an apple tree look like when it starts to grow? It is green and tall. It is small with no leaves. It is big with lots of apples. What does an apple tree look like when it starts to grow? Number 13. What does an apple tree look like after 7 years? It is still small. It has lost its branches. It is so tall you can stand under it. What does an apple tree look like after 7 years? Number 14. What can you see on an apple tree when the blossoms fall off? Ripe red apples, small green apples, the roots of the tree. What can you see on an apple tree when the blossoms fall off? Number 15. How do roots help an apple tree? They take water away. They make food for the tree. They give it water and hold it in the ground. How do roots help an apple tree? Number 16. What happens to leaves before winter? They get apples. They get big and green. They get brown and fall. What happens to the leaves before winter? Number 17. How is bark like a coat? It helps the tree grow. It goes around the tree. It comes off in the summer. How is bark like a coat? Number 18. Read this sentence about roots from the article. Some of them are as small as hairs. How are roots like hairs? They are fat. They are big. They are thin. How are roots like hairs? Number 19. Use the articles, a tree is a plant, and grow apples grow to answer numbers 19 and 20. How are the two articles alike? Both are about apple trees. Both are about many kinds of trees. Both are about foods you can make with apples. How are the two articles alike? Number 20. Use the articles, a tree is a plant, and grow apples grow to answers number 19 and 20. How are the two articles different? A tree is a plant tells about the life of an apple tree. A tree is a plant tells about how to take care of an apple tree. A tree is a plant tells about an apple tree in the spring. How are the two articles different? Great job, super readers. I'll see you next time.